In this video, we're going to be looking at the B march and skip, which are a really good progression from the A skip into the B skip, and they're very similar other than one thing. We raise the knee up. Rather than coming straight down under the knee and hip, the leg extends and we whip it back. Now we can see why that's going to work the hamstrings. So the hamstrings flex the knee, so we extend the leg and whip it back. So it's great for that gait cycle to really push the floor behind us to propel us forwards. So starting with the march, same as the A march, we bring the leg up, comes out, and we want to really drag that foot back. So we come up, moving on to the skip. As we know, as the leg comes up and pushes out, we have that skipping action, that hop that we get from the supporting leg. Looks like this. One more time. So let's take a quick look at that drill in an outdoor setting.